Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change equalizer preset for the headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. You have to start by open Xiaomi application. Now scroll down a little bit and click on audio effects. Then audio balance. And right now click here and choose the best one for you. Also you can choose custom one and make the best one for you. If you don't like it, click to trash icon to remove it. Okay. So let's say I prefer enhanced treble, so I change it, I choose it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!